Hello everyone. Today's video will keep you on the edge of your seat as we watch shocking and unexpected accidents, from horrific crashes to moments of chaos. Join us as we see just how dangerous and fragile life on the road can be. Drive safe to all of us.
This saloon car seems to have no driver in it. Try to pay attention carefully. The car fell into a ravine and reversed itself without a driver. It seems the driver forgot to pull the handbrake on the sloping ground. The truck driven by a young man hit the police car in front of him, which destroyed the police car. But beside the road, it looks like a cameraman. Is this just a scene from a movie shoot? The man on the motorbike hit the curb and flew into an oncoming car. Luckily, the man was okay.
Everything's all right. Everything's good. Tony, all right. Oh, jeez. We need to clean off.
What did the driver of the car do who did not close one of the car doors so that the car door was hit by the bus that was passing by? Don't be reckless on the road.
The bus driver. Oh my days.
A man is seen going down the stairs in a car park. Suddenly, the building collapses. What do you think happened? The road that the truck passed suddenly collapsed into a very deep hole. Why did this happen? Comment below. A truck is seen slipping into a pothole. Did the hole occur because it could not support the weight of the truck? Or was there another natural phenomenon? What do you think? This oil tanker quickly exploded when it hit the car in front of it, and also hit the sidewalk next to it. Keep your distance if you see a truck carrying explosives. Reckless driving on public roads is not good and endangers other drivers. Don't do this. Who's at fault? Reduce your speed when at the intersection. When it snows, always park your car away from the roof of a building so that this kind of thing doesn't happen to your car. This road suddenly had a hole after being crossed by a truck. A few minutes later, a car that was driving entered the hole. Didn't the driver see the hole in front of him? Turning a truck around in a narrow place and near a cliff is very dangerous. If you are not an expert in driving a truck, you should not do something like this. A motorcyclist hit a pickup truck passing through an intersection. Who do you think was at fault?
Oh my goodness.
Reckless actions like this are not good on the road. Don't imitate them.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the
Again and again, accidents at intersections. Obey traffic rules. If your lane is red light, then stop. This kind of thing should not be imitated. If your truck is having problems, then stop to check and fix it. The car carried by the truck suddenly fell on a bend. The truck driver got out to control the falling car. But what happened? The truck reversed itself and hit the falling car. What is your response? What do you think the truck is carrying? Always pay attention to your belongings so as not to endanger yourself. A very horrific landslide incident was seen when one of the drivers recorded the natural phenomenon while passing through a mountain road. Only experienced and skilled truck drivers can do this. Can you do this too? Answer in the comments column below. During the snow season, the road is very slippery. The car brakes are very minimal to function, so be careful.
Thank you all for watching this video till the end. If you find this content useful, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get our latest videos as soon as they are released. We strive and promise to bring you more high quality and interesting videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.